Good morning, students. I'm Sonam Jain here. Today I'm going to teach you chapter 16, that is busy month. See, let's start a chapter with a beautiful letter, and this letter has been written by Gijubai. Gijubai is from Bhavnagar. He has written the letter in April 1936. In his letter, he has discussed about different types of birds. The sparrows, doves and sunbirds have started working in pairs as they prepare to make their nest. See, some of the birds have already made their nest. In some of the nests, the eggs have hatched. See, some eggs are hatched. The parent birds are busy feeding the chicks with different kinds of insect. This is a parent bird and parent bird is busy with its chick. In our courtyard, there is a baby dove. See, look at the picture. See, there is another egg in the nest and that has not been hatched yet. On the way to the Gopal Bai's house, there are many stones and in between the stones, Indian robin bird lay its eggs. See, this is a nest of Indian robin bird. Indian robin bird make its nest with soft twigs, roots, wool, hair and cotton wool. Now, I hope you have seen the crow's nest. A crow's nest is made of all kind of things, even pieces of wires and wood. See, this is a crow's nest. This is a crow's nest. I saw a baby bird in the robin's nest. See here, this is a baby of robin bird and it was sitting with its beak wide open. See, this is a quail. Quail sings very sweetly. This bird doesn't make its own nest and it lays its eggs in a crow's nest. This bird lay its eggs in a crow's nest. I hope you have seen the hanging nest also. See, these nests are hanging from the branches of the trees. Some birds make the hanging nest. See, the best example is male weaver bird. See, male weaver bird make beautifully woven nest. Now, see, you have seen the sparrow's nest also. See, you have seen the sparrow make the nest on the top of a cupboard, behind a mirror or on a ledge. Even pigeons also make their nest like this. They make their nest in old or dusted buildings. And the barbet or coppersmith bird make their nest in a hole in a tree trunk. In a hole of tree trunk. So the tailor bird make its nest by folding the leaves together. By folding the leaves together. Now let's discuss about the sunbird. Sunbirds makes a nest that hangs from the branch of the small tree or a bush. And its nest is made up of hair, grass, thin twigs, dry leaves, cotton wool, bits of tree bark, pieces of cloth, rags and even spiders' cobweb. See, when I looked through the binocular, I could see a chick in the nest. Now let's discuss about the bird's feet. See, this is a first bird. This is a duck. Duck having the webbed feet to swim in water. See, this bird, this is a woodpecker. This bird having the different types of feet to climb the branches of the tree. See, to hold the tree branches, parrot having this type of feet, and stork having long legs to walk on the land. Stork having the long legs to walk on the land. See, next is eagle having this type of feet to catch the prey. See, eagle having these types of feet to catch the prey. Now, let's discuss about different types of beaks. The birds having different types of beaks according to their food habit. To tear and eat meat. First is to tear and eat meat. Eagle having this sharp pointed beak to tear and eat meat. Now next is woodpecker having the pointed beak to make holes in a wood and tree trunks. Woodpecker having pointed beak to make holes in a tree trunk. This is a woodpecker. See, it's having the pointed beak. See, hummingbird having this type of beak to suck nectar from the flowers. To sucking the nectars from the flower, the hummingbird having this type of beak. Next is crane having this type of beak to find insects and worms from mud and shallow water. To break and crush seeds, hen having hard and short beak. To break and crush seeds. See, the crow having this type of beak to cut and eat many kinds of food. Crow having this type of beak. Thank you, students. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.